Hello YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking in how to create a formula in Microsoft Excel in 2023. Now, it's pretty simple, so we're going to just jump right in. The formula that we have to create today is the quadratic formula. And I'm going to open my Microsoft Excel here on the side. Okay, so now we need three parameters for this purpose. We need A, B, and C. I have saved three random parameters A, B, and C here in A first column, A first block, B first block, and C first block respectively. Now I'm going to create the formula in the D block, D first, and I want my result in this block. So I'm going to click on this block just like this, and I'm going to come on top here, the formula bar. And now here, we're going to type in our formula. I'm going to put the equals to sign to show that I'm about to write a formula. So now we need a numerator in this formula and a denominator, just like this. Now in the numerator, we need two terms. First one is negative b1, or negative b, which is equal to b1 in this case. There you go. Now, we can either use the formula with the plus sign or negative sign. I'm going to go with the plus sign in my case. I'm going to put a plus here. Now, the other term is square root of b squared minus 4ac. So, I'm going to put a bracket again to create a space for another term here. Just like this. Now, we're going to type in there our second term. It means the square root of the entire thing. Okay, the square root of the entire thing. I'm going to put the bracket to show the number of which I am about to take square root of. The number is b squared minus 4ac. I'm going to type in there b1 square negative. Now 4ac are all multiplied by each other. So I'm going to type in there 4 multiplied by a, which is a1, and c, which is c1. 4ac. Now we're done with the numerator. Now I'm going to type the denominator here, which is 2 multiplied by a, which is a1 in our case. Okay, so I'm going to hit enter now, and there you go. Now you can change these variables and your formula can change accordingly. If you will see, yeah, it can't divide it with 0. If I put it there 1, it's going to give me a different answer each time, calculating it according to the quadratic formula. So thanks for watching. Make sure you do like and subscribe and turn on the notifications.